Even if it was a full house, like I was the only one in the audience.
You know, I was thinking, Sam, is it
Pagatasin
possible
natin
that
siya kasi
came on too strong with Sydney?
What do you
alas
mean?
6 na yata o 7 o'clock na
No, in
gabi.
general.
Ayaw na kumain.
She just seems so independent
Nag-aalala
and
siya sa
free-spirited
ulan.
from the way you describe
Dito na nga sa loob ng bahay, nag-aalala pa sa ulan eh.
I don't understand what you're telling me.
Si Adnan
You
no,
said
tulog
the
na
other
dun sa
day
likod
you
niya.
had nothing except Sydney. It's never a good idea to put that kind of pressure on someone.
I didn't force her to stay. We were in love. And then she got scared. Decided she needed to experience more shit. More people.
So yun na
So
lang.
she's dating?
No, she actually told me she's not interested in you guys.
Siya pa na.
So she's interested in women?
No. What?
Well, the way you...
Si Adnan,
Anyways,
mahilig
it's
yan
very
sa
common for young women to
kumot
tell you
na
or try things.
pinapatong niya
She's
yung
straight if that's what you're
ulo
asking.
niya.
I mean, she never
Yung
even had
baba
that many
niya.
close girlfriends. I mean,
Ayaw mo na.
I would know, right?
Yeah.
Ayaw mo na.
Sure.
Ayaw mo na sa
And I
kapunta.
could tell she's unhappy.
Nagunat pa, nagunat pa.
I just felt it. It was small things, but
Ito yung gatas
I could
mo.
see it.
Joseph ka.
Well, sounds
Dito
like
ko na
he's
ilagay yung
fine.
gatas mo. Gatas ka na. Dali na.
Figuring out a lot.
Ayaw daw niya ng
We're
camera.
all figuring it out.
Babay na muna.
Not to make it about the past or anything, but Sid's dad died when she was
Anak,
11.
gatas ka lang.
Wait, her dad.
Baba ka dyan, baba.
She was at camp.
Sino?
She spent
Baba
summers
na,
in
matapon
America
yung
because of
gatas
her
eh.
mom.
Ayan o, dali na.
One day, her mom drives up there and just tells her,
Napakaselan nito. Mahirap pakainin
she
itong
didn't
mga
get to
to.
go to the funeral.